Alright, so the starter broke off this 4.3 Mercruiser because the bolt snapped in the block, right? It's not easy to get to. Check this out. Use a left-handed drill bit and it starts pulling the threads out. It was a 1/4 inch in and now it's coming out. Just gonna keep going slowly with the left-handed drill bit. That is insane. I got it. I literally can't believe that that worked. You make a punch. Of course I missed it. And then you go with the left-handed drill bit in reverse slowly and it pulled it out. Pulled it out. Wow. And we have a winner. Second bolt came out a little closer to the center. Use these on Amazon. They're cobalt, so a lot better than high-speed steel. Both bolts are out. And then just to show how the drill fits in here, I had to remove some stuff, but like that. And then I was able to get the one bolt here and then the one bolt there. Get it as straight as you can and go slow and use penetrating oil with the reverse drill bit. And it slowly came out. And then I was able to get it by hand once it was about a 1/4 inch out.